Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, November 11th. Today we're starting the second part of the Book of Forgiving, the part that focuses on the times when you are the one in need of forgiveness, whether it's from others or yourself. If you're doing the stone rituals throughout this series, you'll need a new stone for this, one that is heavy and feels burdensome. Anyway, let's begin. We all make choices that affect others, even when we don't mean to hurt them. The simple truth is we all make mistakes, and we all need forgiveness. There is no magic wand we can wave to go back in time and change what has happened or undo the harm that has been done. But we can do everything in our power to set right what has been made wrong. We can endeavor to make sure the harm never happens again. We all need forgiveness. There are times when all of us have been thoughtless or selfish or cruel. As we have said earlier, no act is unforgivable. No person is beyond redemption. And yet, it's not easy to admit our own wrongdoings and ask for forgiveness. I am sorry are perhaps the three hardest words to say and mean. We come up with all manner of justification to excuse what we have done. But when we are willing to let down our defenses and look honestly at our actions, we find there is a great freedom in asking for forgiveness and great strength in admitting the wrong. This is how we free ourselves from our past errors. It is how we are able to move forward into our future, unfettered by the mistakes we have made. So today, let's do the Ho'oponopono practice to remind ourselves that we all need forgiveness. We all need to ask for it at some time or another, and we all deserve to receive it. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, completely natural. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Just a quick reminder that the Ho'opono practice consists of 5 phrases. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. So let's just do this practice together. Remember that Ho'opono teachers call this practice a cleaning, because you clean yourself of your own negative feelings to erase from your memory or consciousness whatever negativity is not working for you anymore. You're expressing the fact that you no longer wish to suffer from a current or past problem. So simply repeat after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, and I forgive myself. Depending on the depth of your practice, the you here could be yourself, the other person you seek forgiveness from, or the divine itself. Conjuring up gratitude and love will help you anchor into a heart-based response. The mind by itself is never able to solve negativity and distress, whereas the heart makes it possible. Ho'oponopono is a mindfulness practice that helps you to live in the present moment and not in the distressing past. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I'll remind you that the fifth phrase of Ho'oponopono, I forgive myself, can be interpreted as the divinity in me forgives my human self. In other words, I, the higher self, forgive all the mental wiring and limiting beliefs that I experience as my human self. When you're truly able to do this, you finally become whole, viscerally experiencing the unity of your human and divine selves. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. And now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for this deep, powerful work you've been doing. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to contemplate the following questions. From whom do you need forgiveness? What have you done wrong? Have you hurt someone you love? Does the guilt or shame gnaw at you? Have you caused pain and anguish to another person or people, to yourself at the same time? Are you trapped in the wreckage of your actions with no visible means of escape? You can use your forgiveness journal to explore these questions. And remember, be gentle with yourself in this process. In the next few weeks, we will learn how to apply the principles of the fourfold path of forgiveness to ourselves. And today, maybe just practice Ho'oponopono whenever you get the chance to. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.